Anong gusto yung kanta? Ano naman eh, free naman ako. Kaya anong gusto yung kanta? Wala, bumili lang ako fast food. Wala akong wini-wear na retainers. Kasi, meron. Andito na siya, andyan na siya forever. Anong gusto niyong kanta? Tara, kanta tayo. Kakantaan ko kayo. Anong gusto niyong kanta? Thanks, Clarky. Di niyo makikita eh, pero andyan siya. Oh, ang cute! Sige, sige. Pero hindi ko pa to kabisado ha. Try ko lang. Okay. Narinig niyo ako? Narinig niyo din yung music? Yes? Say yes. Hindi naman annoying yung Narinig niyo? Is there a place at the right time to approach and intertwine? To the universe colors fine. To build the lights to make us real fly. And wherever you will be, so to shine. Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears. Weary heart, you'll be safe here. Cute! Cute ng song. Thank you, Naku. As it was things like we were so high, but love was all that we were on. We don't know. And though the world will never understand this unlikely union and why it still stands. Hindi pa masyado kabisado yung song. Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears. Weary heart, you'll be safe here. From your tears, when everything's unclear, you'll be safe here from the sheer weight. Thanks, Kenzo. Of your doubts and fears. Wondered why. Cute na song. Next song. Wait na guys, check ko lang yung food ko kung andyan na. Okay, wala. Guys, anong gusto niyong next song? Anong gusto niyong next song? Hi, Terrence. Anong gusto niyong next song? Grabe naman. I passenger seat. Do I know this? Thanks, JP. I'm not sure if I know this. Thank you, Terrence.
Mag-Enervon helps unlock healthy energy na magandang...
No, di pa po ako nag-workout. Pero I'm gonna workout very, very soon. Pag ginanahan na ako. Alam ko ba to? And have to smile as we go driving for a while. Air blowing in the window of my car. And as we go, I see the lights. Watch them glimmer in her eyes. In the darkness evening. And I've got all that I need right here in the passenger seat. Oh, and I can keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's inches from me. We stopped to get something to drink. I'm on my clouds and I can think. Scared to death to say I love him. Then the moon peeks from the clouds. I hear my heart, it beats so loud. Try to tell him simply that I've got all that I need right here in the passenger seat. Oh, and I can keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's inches from me. Yun lang. Cute na kata. Next song. Thank you, Terrence. Terrence pala, Terrence. What's next? Ere. May female version ba nito? Try ko nga. Try ko lang. Okay. Para sa inyo to. At oras na aking binigay, parang di mo pansin ang sama ko sa aning. Kuya, andyan na yata yung ano. Pasayo, please. Kikita niyo ako? Okay. Ito na. Ulitin ko. Kasi tumatawag yung driver sa akin, sabi ko papalaga. Lahat ng pagmahal oras na aking binigay, parang di mapansin ang sama ko sa iyong paningin. Di mapansin ang sama ko sa iyong paningin. Oh, diba tayo'y lumilipad at ako'y iniwan mo. Oh, diba pinagmukha mo kong tanga. Tayo'y lumilipad at ako'y iniwan mo. Na may duda na sa'yo isip, pinalalim mo pa ang sugat dito sa dibdib. Oh, oh, diba tayo'y lumilipad at ako'y iniwan mo. Oh, diba pinagmukha mo kong tanga. Tayo'y lumilipad at ako'y iniwan mo. Ikaw lamang ang aking gusto. Pasensya na kung ngayon ako'y di para sa'yo. Tayo ay papunta na sa ating bagong yugto. Ayokong mabuhay sa isang mundong walang tayo. Diba? Tayo ba at ako'y iniwan mo? Oh, diba pinagmukha mo kong tanga at ako'y iniwan mo. Yun lang. What's next? What's next? Pinalalim mo pa. What's next? Gusto niyo yung next song? Bingkay. question na lang tayo. Sige, go. Anong gusto niyong question? Anong gusto niyong question? Kaano-ano mo po si Colleen? Boss. Boss ko po siya. Charot. Next question. Yeah, I'm in Manila. I can't. Maybe this time. Did we make it? No, we didn't. We didn't make it. Did we make it? I'm cute. Most embarrassing moment. Shucks, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam eh. Ano ba ang nakakahiyang moment? Siguro nung nasa school ako, hindi ko kasi alam yung direction ng mga rooms. Kanyan, iba-iba kasi ng mga rooms, 'di ba, sa college. And then, ilang beses ako na pagdating ko ng room, pawis na pawis ako kasi kasi nanggaling pa ako sa kabilang building, ganun. Thanks, next. Yun lang siguro. Wala naman akong specific na nakakahiya talaga sa life ko. In love? Am I in love right now? Can I be your suitor in the future? I'll think about it. I have high standards though. In love ba ako ngayon? Hindi nga ako in love, guys. Huwag nang pilitin sa akin yung ayaw ko. Yung ayaw ko. Hindi. I will never be in love. Charot. I was supposed to go out with my friend today, pero I don't know what happened. Thank you, John Mark. Thank you, Facmundo. Sige, go. Question. Ask nyo lang ako kasi I wanna talk to you guys. Yeah. Biggest influence on my life? I guess the biggest influence in my life. It's hard. It's hard. My family and friends. Thanks, Don. Biggest turn off. Biggest turn off. Someone who doesn't know how to invite someone in a respectful way. Like, kunyari, do you want to have dinner with me? Ganyan. Magsasabi, it's a big turn off when someone invites me for something and will be like, dinner? Are you G? Super turn off. I hate it. I despise it when people don't know what they have when they have me, right? So I really appreciate it when someone is very respectful whenever they talk to me. Thank you, Rabe. What are the most important to always notice the red flags in the first place? Like, yeah, I think that's my biggest lesson, and always listen to it as much as you can. Thanks, Frederick. Biggest turn on naman. Biggest turn on would probably someone who knows what they have when they have me. Yeah, that's my biggest turn on. Someone who really sees me as something who is so valuable. Such a big turn on. Pero parang I haven't Yeah. Do you have any regrets? Yes, I do have many regrets. But I appreciate whatever I am. But I appreciate where I am right now because of all the things that I regret about. Tama ba? Gusto ko next song na. Kasi wala na kayong Wala na kayong... Ang cute naman ito. Thank you for still smiling after all the things you've been through. Thank you. You sound like Ate Aya Sabini. I guess it's because we're both Bisaya. Next song na. I wanna sing. Tayo'y papunta na. If you could talk to a younger version of yourself, what would you say? No matter what the world is trying to tell you in the future, I hope you know that you genuinely have a good heart and you are beautiful in your own way, and don't let other people make you feel otherwise. Hindi naman yung mga tanong mo sa akin ang dali-dali lang sagutin. Is love setting free or fight for it? Depende, syempre. Syempre, pag love mo, paglalaban mo talaga, diba? Of course. Pero may mga sitwasyon na hindi ka mabibigyan ng option na ipaglaban or i-let go mo siya. So, wala kang choice kundi i-let go mo yung pag mapunta ka sa ganong sitwasyon. Kahit na niloko ka na ng paulit-ulit. Syempre hindi na. Syempre hindi ka na diba? Dapat di nyo na tinatanong sa akin yan. Dapat alam nyo na yan sa sarili nyo. May mga sagot naman na kayo sa utak nyo. Dapat mag-follow kayo sa nasa utak nyo. Of course, there's someone who makes me happy. I have my dogs, I have my family, I have my friends, I have myself. I'm happy. What is, daw? Okay. When did you first fall in love? My first love was table tennis. So, grade 4 ako nun. Kayo po ba ni Coco? Hindi. Gusto mo ba? Do you agree to fall in love again? Me? I've never fallen in love, so I wouldn't know. Next question. How to know if someone likes you? I think I can know if someone likes me if ayaw niya ako masaktan. Feeling ko yun yung